Moving on to problem number 2, similar idea. We're going to pitch a baseball with a speed of 39 meters per second. Never mind. Let's do this a little bit differently. Sorry. So we have a baseball bat. It's supposed to be a bat. And the baseball is 0.14, and it goes in at 39 meters per second. And then the baseball returns back out. It's got 0.14 kilograms. And it returns back out at 13 meters per second. And we want to know what happens to the bat. Okay. So let's do a little IF chart here. So the chart starts like this. We're going to have, so if we make this 1 kilogram out here, and this is going to be, let's see, 39 meters per second, so let's make this 20 and 40 meters per second for our speed. And we're going to have the speed kind of like this for the baseball, and the bat's just at 0. Then, if we'll call this the positive direction, actually, you know what? Yeah, we'll make that positive. And then the way the baseball goes backwards, this is a little bit different. After it's hit, the baseball is going to go back in negative 13, so we'll make this negative 20 down here. And that's about 1 kilogram out here. And then the bat, well, we don't know what's going to happen with it. We assume it's going to be going forwards, but we're not completely sure how much forward the speed goes at. Forward meaning it goes to the left. So we're going to be calling left is forward. Now when we set up our momentum equation, that's going to be m1, m ball, v ball initial, plus m bat, v bat initial, equals m ball, v ball final, plus m bat, v bat final. And now let's put in our numbers. So we're going to have 0.14 times 39. Now m bat and v of the bat is 0 initial, so that makes this whole term here 0 to start with, since this is 0. And then we're going to end up getting m ball is 0.14, and the return speed of the ball is at negative 13. It's going back the other way. So again, left is forward, right's backward. And now we're going to have the bat going at its speed, 0.87 times this v final that we need to solve for. So that's the only letter we need to isolate. And when we actually go ahead, let's just do a little bit of math. So we're going to have 0.14. When we bring the negative 13 term to the other side, that's going to be negative, that's going to actually be 52 here when you use distributive property. I'm not going to do that math for you. You need to do that. And that's going to equal 0.87 VF. So now when we get VF of the bat, the answer that we're going to actually get is 8.37 meters per second. And that's the recoil speed.